Good day, everyone. So please, before we actually continue, I want to let you to know that I will be doing a video on how to trade your Euro USD properly, how to trade your pound, even your gold. In 9 hours time, I'll be uploading a video on how to trade gold professionally. So please subscribe, watch out for it, or come back to check this channel. Or it depends on when you are checking it. Just click on the this my channel. I would have pinned it on this my on the top of this my channel, so you'll be able to watch it. Now, as you can see on our DXY now, as we have predicted, you can actually watch my previous video where we predicted this move, where we had this push up, where we had this fall, where we had this push up. I think on the 23 we also predicted that our price will actually be pushing up around this our area here and be getting a fall. And guess what, we've actually hit this our key level area here, and now we're actually on a fall. Definitely this week we will be watching for our price to break below this area here. Then can actually now take our sell position downward. Guess what, our DXY for the coming week would be bearish, as we've predicted about past week that our DXY would actually be falling, and it actually did, it fell. So we can see that we closed bearish for the week, as we can see it here. As DXY we closed bearish for the week. So this week also we will also be closing bearish, and we will be going bearish. So any pair we are going to be trading against our USD should actually be bullish. So as you can see, our DXY closed bearish. This week also our DXY will also be closing bearish below. At least we should take out this liquidity low area, that is about 1.1622. So at least we have about 140 pips, or like call it points more to go. About this week we are coming, so we are closing bearish on our DXY. We are actually falling. Now back on our 4-hour time frame, now they can see that we are actually ranging. This is a key area of rejection here, so we are actually aiming to go down bearish and possibly close this bearish this week. That should be about that is still it, 141 points or 141 pips to add to close. So that is about 141 pips to go. That is on our DXY, still going bearish, and possibly see a reversal here to this key level here again, and bearish move downward on our DXY. This is exactly what we are planning to trade. As of last week we fell, and now we got this pullback retracement. We can call it a retracement. It's range here, so it is now time for us to go pull back, hit this our liquidity area here, get a pullback and a continued bearish move on our DXY. So that is the analysis for the week. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.